Hello everyone, this is my video on how to make professional mind maps by the website called Mind Meister. So I'm gonna open this website by Microsoft Edge. So I'll just write Mind Meister. There you go. And I'll do login. So I'm going to log in with Google. So I'll just write my email address. And now my password. So now I'll just go to education, just like that. And so this is my new mind map. It has made it by itself. So I'll just give it a title. And mind map also default gives a tutorial for a beginner. So I'm just gonna write a topic, let's say on cars. Yeah, wait, let's change it. Let's just say computer. So these are step-by-step instructions which Mind Meister gives you. So I'm just gonna not use this right now. So now I'll just add a new branch, and here I'll just write components. Now I'm gonna add one more child. So now I'm gonna add one more branch. There you go. Now I will write here one of the topics. So I'll just first write motherboard, and now I'm gonna add one more. So this will tell that there are many more components inside the motherboard. So I'll just write RAM, or I'll just write random access memory. Now, so as you can see, so it has also underlined. So I'll just right click and change the spelling. Now in brackets I'll just write RAM. Now I'll write SSD. And at the side I'll just write solid, its full form, state drive. Now I'll just add one more and again do this. So there are many customizable options also where you can just, I'll just show you. Just let me do Control Z. And as you can see, I just undo the action. So now I'll just deselect all the words and I can just format the text. So I'll just do this. So it will, if I click on this, it will just make the size of text bigger, and if I click on this, it will make it smaller. So you can also change the format of the branch, where you can just click the branch and go to here, so it will just change it, as you can see. So this is a normal branch, this is like identical to this, and you can change. So I'm gonna leave this as this only and gonna change this. So I'm just gonna give it a small one. You can also add emojis. Just take your cursor and click it wherever you want to put the emoji, and then just click here. So there you go, there's an emoji. And you can also add pictures and also videos, but then you have to open it from your files. And you can also do this. If you want to delete anything, you can just delete it like this. So I'll just undo it now so that I get everything. There you go. So this is all used to connect two topics. So there's also one more very good feature. You can go here, but this is from my maps. So you can just do many more things, like you can go to advanced. Wait, yeah, so you can go to advanced like this and add some notes. Like if you want to, like let's say I take and RAM, and if I click advanced, then it will just give me notes of it. Like let's say it is a chip which is connected in the motherboard. So I'll just change this now. And so I'll just write one more thing. So I'll just take away, you can also write points like this. So I'm just gonna write it enables the CPU or processor to handle more tasks at once. And there are also many more features. You can also do one more thing. You can just change the font and the boldness. So I'll just highlight this and just make it bold and change its color. So I'll just make it white. So this is how you can format text. You can also do a few more things. I'm just gonna highlight this again and just change its size like 18 pixel. And you can also align it and add bullets or numbers and many other things. You can also add links like this. You can link many different kind of things and add photos and wrap things. So I'm just gonna write OK, and this is how you make a mind map. And you can also zoom it like this, or you can just make it smaller. So if you have a bigger mind map, making it zoom out, it will be easier for you to view. So for now I'm just gonna keep it like this. This is easy. Now you can also do this. So this is to check these things. So this is how you make a mind map. Thank you for watching my video and like and subscribe to my channel.